All right, everyone, we are going to talk about just some symbols and things like that in this lesson. Have you guys heard of PS? PS is something that we wrote all the time when we actually hand wrote letters. And I wrote them in lots of my notes, and I know you guys don't write them as much, but I feel it's very important that you actually understand what the abbreviation actually means. Where do you find PS? So PS comes at, you know, like how you're writing a letter, typing out something, and you've got it all in, and then you just need to say something else at the bottom, and it means it's at the very bottom of your letter. You're going, oh yeah, I wanted to tell you this, and so you say PS. And so PS stands for postscriptum. I want you guys to say that. Postscriptum. Say it again. Postscriptum. Postscriptum. Say it again. Postscriptum. Postscriptum. Look, script. Script. Scriptum. This is Latin. Post is a preposition, and it means after. We don't really use this as a preposition as much as they used to, but it does mean after. So scriptum, what does it mean? It has been written. So if you think about it, this is after it has been written. So PS means after it has been written. So you have a letter, blah, 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 blah. You're writing a letter to Daniel. Right? La 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 la. Oh my goodness. And then love, Mom. Oh, dang, I needed to tell you something. P.S. Meet me at the dentist. And then you write, meet me at the dentist, whatever. So that's what that means. You wrote it all out and it goes at the end. Look, post, it's after the entire letter has been written. Script means it has been written. So it's after it has been written. It's so much easier to change things in our letters now because we type so much. But before, when they have typewriters and you couldn't go back and add things the same way we can add now. If you read old letters, you're going to see this in so many older letters because we would write them out. So it's really important that you understand really what this means. It's at the end after everything has been put together. Now let's just go over some meanings of some symbols that maybe we might have some confusion. Now a hyphen is just this little dash right here. We hyphenate things. An ellipsis is the three dots. Do you guys know what the three dots mean? That means that words have been taken out. And so there was more to what was going on. Now, curly brackets. This is what a curly bracket. If somebody says put a curly bracket around the information so that you can remember where to find it, like I curly bracket my scriptures. But there's other reasons why we curly bracket, but this is what it looks like. I do the and symbol all of the time while we are working. I do this symbol. This symbol is super easy to do, but this is the typed out symbol. This is not the typed out symbol. This is the typed out symbol. But I think once you get used to doing it, then you just do it. But that was trickier. I think that's E, the backwards E with the little dashes. Bathrooms, because I want you boys to know that it is not okay to go into the female bathroom. Symbol, female, symbol, male. Because when I was in New York, there was a man in the female bathroom and it scared me. Girls get scared of boys being in their bathrooms. Now I want to go over state of being verbs. It's very important that we remember what our state of being verbs. I'm not going through all of them. When I look at this, singular, I am, you are, he, she, it, Lisa is, plural, we are, you are, they are. What do you see when you look at this? What tense? Parse these tenses. The progressive. These all fit in progressive tense. Unless, Daniel says, unless if you did use them as a linking verb, you can totally use these as linking verbs right here. But they also go in the progressive tense. Look, singular, I am. First person, second person, look, they're just the same. Third person, he, she, it, or Lisa is. Remember, is goes third person, it's singular. Plural's easy because we just say are, and are. It doesn't matter which person you're in, but that's what you do. So remember this. This is vitally important that you remember this. This is how you construct your sentences. Okay, that's it, everybody. We'll see you in the next lesson.
Thanks for watching, everybody.